Many times I have seen people are saying, it's okay, I will create the social media content, but what I will get in the exchange of that. So in this video, I'm going you to share how you can use your social media to grow your sales. So if you really want to grow your sales, this video is for you. The number one thing which you need to make sure you have done the targeted advertising. You cannot target everyone and waste your money. You need to have laser sharp targeted advertisement. The second thing is you need to try in the social media is influencer partnership. There are many influencers in your product and service category. They will easily influence their buyer. So you need to make sure you have done the influencer partnership if you really wanted to develop social selling. The third thing which you can try, engaging content creation. You can create that kind of content which can help to engage your customer, and when you do that, automatically your interested customers will start engaging with you, and that will help you to grow your business drastically. The fourth thing is social commerce. You need to use different social commerce tools that will help you to grow your business, that will help you to give you new leads. The fifth, which is last but not least, customer engagement and support. You need to try engage with them. You need to solve their problem. You need to support them to get new amazing things. And if you do that, definitely by using these social media ways, you are able to grow yourself. I hope you find something unique this video. If you have any questions, comments or suggestions, feel free to put in the comment box. See you in another video.